Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Dad Simply Cooking. I'm Dad, your host, and today we're trying something that I had the other week that was so good, I could not wait to get into the kitchen and try to make it for myself and to share with my family. But it's a long process and it's kind of pricey, unless like you're making it in bulk and selling it at a store, and then it's not so bad. But we're making Birria tacos with Old El Paso. This isn't a sponsor. This is an ad. We're using this box. It calls for about 2 pounds to 2.5 pounds of boneless beef chuck. We're not using that. That's too expensive. That stuff was expensive when I looked at it the other day. But we're going to use this. We're going to make some tacos, y'all. So if we venture over to the other camera, it's on my bowl. This is on high heat. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my meat. Whew. And we're just going to brown our meat. Really, we're trying to get that juices and that flavor going into my meat. So we're going to use some of this asadero griller. I don't know what it's called. But it's for street tacos. And it's banging. So we got everything browned. I'm going to add a half a cup of beef stock. And then a cup of water. Put it on high heat. Now, Old El Paso, they have provided seasoning. This is called seasoning mix in this packet. And we're going to go ahead and crank it out. Now, there are some fantastic videos, y'all, of people making Birria. I've watched a bunch. I thought I was prepared. I was like, I'm going to make it. I saw them like chopping the chiles up, and they even said it fancy too. I was like, yo. On the back of the box, it says seasoned beef by adding water, seasoning pack, roasting in a roasting pan. So we just drizzle the creamy chipotle sauce on afterwards, which will be good because some of my kids don't like spice. Both of my kids don't like spice. One of my kids might like spice, but the other one definitely doesn't like spice. I'm going to add in peppers, because why not? I'm going to also add my cilantro. And then my onions. We're going to let this boil for a little bit. You're going to see some steam shooting out. Be like, pew, pew, pew. On my alternate pan here, I think it's time to be like the Avengers and assemble. What it says to do is dip our tortilla in the sauce, like so. Hot! And then we're just going to take it and put it on our... Besides buying the Old El Paso thing, I think it was like $4 for that thing. I bought this thing called Cotija cheese. I don't know. Mexican style grated cheese. Tastes pretty good. I'm gonna put my cotija cheese on there. Let's grab some of this delicious meat. We'll put it to one side. Try to fold it over. All that's done, all these tacos. I'll be back. I'll be back. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finished with the tacos finally. And look at that. Our corn, our tacos, birria, our corn, peppers, onions, cilantro. The goodness. We're going to eat. We're going to enjoy this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Walmart, everybody sells it. It was $4, something like that. Enjoy your family. I know I'm going to. Have a great night. I love you. Thanks for all y'all that like and subscribe and share my content. Love you so much. Thank y'all for that. Take it easy.